Have you ever wondered who is visiting your Facebook profile? In this video, I'm going to clear up the biggest myth around Facebook profile views and show you the safe, correct way to think about it. If you're searching for a trick, app, or setting that reveals exactly who viewed your profile, this video will save you time and help you avoid scams. So if that sounds helpful, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and let's get into it. First, here's the most important thing you need to know. Facebook does not provide any option to see who viewed your profile. That means there is no official feature inside the app or on the website that will show you a list of people who have visited your profile. If you've been looking through settings for a profile visitor tracker, you won't find one because Facebook simply does not offer it. This is really important because a lot of videos and websites claim they can show you exactly who checked your profile. In most cases, those claims are misleading, and sometimes they are dangerous. The truth is that Facebook keeps that information private, so if someone says they can reveal your profile viewers with one click, you should be extremely cautious. Now let's talk about what you should not do. Do not trust third-party apps or browser extensions that promise to show profile visitors. These tools often ask for permissions that they do not need, and some of them can put your account, your data, or even your device at risk. If an app claims it can tell you who viewed your Facebook profile, that is a major red flag. Also, do not enter your Facebook login details on unknown websites. If a site asks you to sign in with Facebook just to see who visited your profile, stop right there. That can be a phishing attempt, and it may be designed to steal your account information. A safe rule to follow is simple. If Facebook itself does not offer the feature, be very skeptical of anything else that claims to. So what can you do instead? You can focus on the information Facebook does make available, like post reactions, comments, story viewers, and page insights if you manage a page. Those are legitimate ways to understand engagement. For personal profiles, Facebook does not show profile visit history, so the best approach is to stay private, review your privacy settings, and be smart about what you post. If you want more control over who sees your content, go into your Facebook privacy settings and check who can view your posts, friend list, story, and profile information. You can also limit past posts, review tags before they appear, and adjust your audience for future posts. While this won't tell you who viewed your profile, it will help you control who can interact with your content. The bottom line is this: there is no official way to know exactly who is visiting your Facebook profile. Anyone claiming otherwise is either mistaken or trying to get you to install something unsafe or give away your login details. Protect your account, avoid suspicious tools, and stick to Facebook's built-in privacy settings. If this video helped clear things up, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.